morning, guys. It's Sunday, September 1st, 2019. Today was supposed to be debarkation day in the port of Miami, but the port is still closed due to Hurricane Dorian. So right now I'm just out on the balcony, and if you look into the distance, you'll see a ship. And then off to the right, there's 2 or 3 other ships. So basically right now we're just tidying up our room, kind of pre-packing, getting some stuff done. We could possibly return to port today, tomorrow, all the way up till possibly Wednesday. So we just wait for our announcements as they come through from Team Carnival. Right now we're gonna go grab some breakfast. I just had some coffee this morning, and we'll keep you updated. So guys, me and Aaron were just talking as we went to get some coffee walking through the ship, because half of the ship kind of debarked yesterday in the 2-hour time span. I guess they were able to get to the airport and get their flights. A lot of people didn't have that choice, but as you see, just walking through the ship, it's empty.
It's almost 9 a.m. Thank God we're back. Back in the room. Look! Another animal to go in my collection. Alrighty guys, so welcome to my Carnival Horizon little zoo. Love my animals. Steward Anak does a wonderful job making my little animals for us each day. He's also the one in the previous videos had put the names on our bed. Welcome David and Aaron, and good morning and whatnot. Really cool.
Alright guys, so we talked to some staff here on board while we are floating in the ocean during Hurricane Dorian. There's only about 1,056 people on the Carnival Horizon right now. Aaron is loving this. Aaron has expressed that he's loving the medium-sized ships and the fantasy class ships. We're seeing a big difference. And even now that there's only 1,000 plus passengers on the ship, it seems like the whole ship is ours. So he was looking at the fun times because they're still running activities for us. And Aaron, what did you say?
I actually would like to go see Godzilla tonight for the dive-in movie at 10 o'clock. And I like bingo. So I might go to the 2:30 bingo. It's a $2,000 bingo game. So we'll see.
Alright guys, the other thing that we have learned, and we've been talking to a lot of ship staff who have been on the works for Carnival for about 14 years plus. Me and Aaron, we've been tinkering around with this idea for several months now, but we're looking, Aaron likes the smaller class ships or like the Conquest class, and we are very interested in the Spirit class ships or the Legend. So we've talked to several onboard ship members, and they've shared their experiences with us from their view as an employee. And we've also talked to other cruisers that have been on that type of style ship. So we are giving this a high consideration and looking into 2020, 2021, what type of cruise ship and where in different destinations that we might be traveling to next. So don't forget, follow us on Twitter at Adventures of DNA, and follow us on Instagram at Adventures of David and Aaron. And as always, guys, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. We reply to all comments.
Lunch today.
Are you ready, Mother?
Yes.
Now, are you seeing a difference between full and half full cruise ship?
More than a difference.
So it makes you appreciate the Carnival Inspiration when you first went on that one?
First one, oh, you mean the other cruise that we went on? Oh yeah, this is more variety, more fun, I'm used to it more. I don't know. They both have their things that they're good for and their pros and cons.
Right. So we're going to the pool area, guys. So guys, I will say that Deck 6 on the Carnival Horizon for us has been a pretty good deck. I mean, we're one deck down from Ocean Plaza. So look at your deck plans when you book your cruise. So what about this deck?
Number 10,
Food.
food and pool.
Lido.
Yes, Lido.
That's the place to go.
Pool slide, food buffet.
So what did you like about the Seafood Shack?
The fish sandwich was great.
Price point?
I thought it was great value for the ship for average meal,
Alright.
quick lunch.
Aaron, what's your favorite thing?
I don't know, I only have the lobster roll.
Well, we had a seafood platter last year.
I don't remember, to be honest.
Okay. Alright guys, so Aaron's not a big fan of Guy's Burgers, but I am, so we're doing the Guy's Burger.
This guy makes me work. Shoot him.
There you go.
And point it at me. I'm innocent, I tell you. Thanks for playing.
So ladies and gentlemen, first up in this competition, go wild, go crazy, make some noise for the ladies. They just got off their tour. The back street is back, but I tell you, they put the group back together one more time for the special routine. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the guys team, the Blue Iguana.
Alright guys, so we are back. We went to the Lido deck to the synchronized swimming competition, and the men's group won, and we accomplished some milestones. While we were out on the Lido deck, I didn't have my GoPro and my head strap, but we were able to go up to the ropes course, and we did the slides. And then Aaron accomplished a very big goal today. Aaron, what'd you do?
I made it on the rope course, guys. I did it. I was still scared, don't get me wrong. Took a little while to get through it, but I did it.
So I have a couple little photos or video of Aaron doing it, but I didn't have the GoPro, I just had my main camera. So it got to a certain point where I saw him. So I strapped up, went behind him. But he did it on his own. He completed it, and he was very happy. So, yay for Aaron. I'm very happy and very proud of him. Alright guys, so we have been given an opportunity. We're going to be at sea for 3 additional days. Carnival Cruise Lines has offered us the Cheers package at the online rate. So, 1 Bud Light beer is almost $7.95, 7 something. So we did the math, tea, coffee, drinks. So we think it's worth probably purchasing the Cheers package. Now, our good friends Josh and Michelle, I already know what they would say because they are part of the Whatevs and created the Whatevs fam. If you're not familiar with Josh and Michelle from Adventures Ahead, head on over to YouTube. Check those guys out. Here's their awesome shirt. Josh, Michelle, I think we're going to do the Cheers package. So, cheers to the Whatevs lifestyle. Alright guys, so right now we've had no updates on when the port of Miami is going to open right now. I feel the need for a little serenity in my life, so me and Aaron are going to head up to the Serenity deck and camp out and have a couple adult beverages and relax in our chair.
Alrighty guys, so we're at a small situation. As you know, we're on an 8-day cruise. It was cut short by 12 hours. We had purchased a Cheers package for that 8-day cruise. On this day, today, Sunday, September 1st, we were originally told at 10 a.m. your Cheers package card would stop because they did a little extension due to the fact the cruise was cut short by the 12 hours. Okay, great. So we stopped ordering our drinks at 10, figuring okay, the card's no good. Later on, we were told it actually went till 1. Okay, no big deal. It gave us time to do whatever. We decided, okay, well, we're on the ship, we'll buy another Cheers package. Okay, so we bought one.
But they offered at the internet
But
rate.
they did offer that at the internet rate. So basically it was $183.50 for each of us to continue it for another 3 days. So we did that, okay, no big deal. So we go up to the Serenity deck and we go to order a drink. No problem, we got a drink. And then David ordered his drink. And then he went to get a second beer. The guy said, oh, so you're up to 10. 10? We just bought the package less than an hour ago. Come to find out, David did some research. They were taking what numbers you had from the prior card, even though they told you it was expired, and carrying that over to the new package. Had he not been paying attention, He'd have been cut off after 5 more drinks, even though he had only purchased 2 on the new deal that we spent $400 for. They were trying to pull a fast one. If this should ever happen, watch your ticket. Next to your name in the right-hand corner. After you do reach your 10th drink, it will start counting for you because you are allowed 15. But do keep count of what happens when you buy your drinks.
And when we went to Energize, remember they said go to any bar, but then he said he couldn't find us?
Yeah, and then back to the Serenity Deck issue. When we went there because they told us to go to any bar to purchase the package, the guy couldn't even find us. He asked us, when did we board the ship? We never got off the ship. That was another issue. But anyway, guys, make a long story short, watch your tickets when you purchase your Cheers package. And if you're ever in this situation, whether you're staying on board to continue with another cruise and then having you rebuy the Cheers package, make sure they're not carrying over your previous ones when they expire onto the new one.
Alright guys, dinner time, so I'm going to order a Moscato for starters. Aaron, what are you going to order?
Moscato as well. That's like a good glass of wine with dinner.
And then check out this view, guys.
Try the cocktail called the Rum Runner. I've never had it. Looks pretty good.
Now, what about your dinner?
I'm gonna do the chilled Vietnamese roll with a Caesar salad, and then for dinner I'm going to do, I can't pronounce it, the Crotus and Pondus black bean salsa.
All right. What about dessert?
I don't usually do dessert.
All right, guys. So I ordered the salmon fillet, a side of shrimp with extra lemons, and for my appetizer, calamari. Alright guys, so we just got back from dinner, myself and Aaron, and we met a wonderful lady at dinner by the name of Wendy from DC. So we just want to give a shout out to Wendy and say hello, hi, it was great meeting you, and we had amazing conversation. So right now there's like a lightning storm going on outside, so we're going to sit on the balcony and see if we can record some lightning.